Connecting Ecwid to Printify allows you to automate product creation and order fulfillment for print-on-demand items. Here's a step-by-step guide. Create accounts on Printify and Ecwid. Sign up for free at Printify and Ecwid, or log in if you already have accounts. Install the Printify app on Ecwid. Go to your Ecwid dashboard and navigate to Apps, App Market. Search for Printify and click Install to connect the platform. Authorize the integration. You'll be redirected to Printify. Authorize the connection by signing in with your Printify credentials and granting the necessary permissions. Create products on Printify. In Printify, design products such as t-shirts, mugs, or posters by choosing templates and uploading your designs. Set prices and descriptions, ensuring they align with your store's brand. Sync products to your Ecwid store. After creating products, click Publish to Store. The products will automatically appear in your Ecwid catalog. Configure shipping and payments. Ensure your Ecwid store's shipping rates match Printify's fulfillment options. Set up payments in Ecwid to receive revenue. Start selling. Orders placed on your Ecwid store will be fulfilled by Printify with automated shipping and tracking.